Hello, today I'm going over my Holosun adapter plate to T2 aimpoint footprint. This allows you to use this Holosun AEMS on anything that'll take a aimpoint T2 hole pattern and notch. So on this, I'm getting it ready for my ps90. Got it on a design machine mount. I like that height. And then also, I'm gonna put one of these on ScalarWorks. I think this is a true witness height mount. And I'm gonna put that on something, I don't know what yet, but for the sake of video demonstration, I'm leaving it there. And then also I'm showing off the new mlok panels for the ps90, extruded, anodized, machined. So really quick, I guess I'll do this one. You just take it off the same way that you would if you're doing anything. Take it off real quick. Keep the screws. 4 screws, 8 screws. And I'm gonna put this thing on. Ooh. There we go, like that. Holes match up. Put the screws on now. Same way. I don't know if you guys can hear my robot vacuum in the other room. So I'm sorry about that. Just doing this for demonstrations purposes. I'm not like gonna do torquing and stuff. I'm just gonna snug them down. And then put it on this. And the same way that you would put any T2 or any of those red dots onto regular scalar mounts or anything. I'm gonna have to go back into my parts box and find different screws, because these ones a little too thick. The buttons are kind of thick. But for demonstration purposes here, oh, never mind. Went in. Oh, there we go. Going into the countersink. Not the countersink, the relief cut, or whatever you want to call it. And there, that's that. And now you have this thing on a ScalarWorks mount. So you could put it on maybe a Raider. You know, if that's your thing, you want to put it on a Raider, you put it on this. You have it all already installed. So just unscrew that and put it on here and put it on your Raider with whatever one of these you want. It can be those quick detach ones from LaRue or any other manufacturer. The height is kind of like a little taller. So this is just a little taller than Co-Witness. You can see it's just a little bit taller than it would have been if it was an aimpoint on their 1/3 Co-Witness, I think. This is true Co-Witness height. So this is like between those Unity Tactical heights and this height. I don't know what height that is. I'll measure it and I'll put it in the description. So I kind of like that for the window and all that stuff. Put it on whatever you want. And then obviously the reason I'm here is to put it on my ps90. Also with these things, there's a relief cut over here for the casting. So be aware of that. It goes on just like that. The other side doesn't matter so much because there's no little thing up there for the casting. And there it is. Mlok and the Holosun. Empty. And I like the height. It's a pretty interesting and likable setup that I like very much. And then with this mlok, I like to put this sling mount up here. And this light right here. I'm going to snug everything down off camera, but I just want to have everything kind of, for the video's sake, out here, just to show what I got. I was never good at doing mlok fast. Now I'm struggling. I feel kind of lame. There we go. Okay. There's the P90 with the light, the optic, the mlok, quick clicky, strobe. And over here, you can handle everything from there. It's good to go. So like that. And then we got this. I kind of want to put it on here, but I guess I'll take pictures for it later. But if you have questions, let me know. Bye.